Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to reset your Bluehost website. Firstly, go to bluehost.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, click on Advanced in the left menu to open cPanel. In cPanel, go to File Manager, then open the public HTML folder. This is your main website directory. Select all files inside it except .wellknown if needed for SSL. Then click Delete from the top menu. Now, in cPanel, go to MySQL Databases. Find the current website database, then click Delete next to it. Then confirm your deletion. If you're unsure which database your site uses, check the wconfig.php file for WordPress users before deleting. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.